If you choose the greatest science fiction movie of mankind, it must be impossible to avoid interstellar travel, as long as you have seen this movie. Probably remember this clip.
You need to tell me what your plan is to save the world.
We're not meant to save the world. We're meant to leave it.
Nolan's movie only talks about interstellar immigration, but dodged a fatal dilemma. How will humans multiply on a new planet? Even if the spaceship arrives smoothly with the gene bank, weightlessness and cosmic radiation will completely block normal fertility. This is not immigration at all. It's just going extinct somewhere else. Today, let's talk about how humans can achieve reproduction in space. May 2026, Tianzhou 10 carried a batch of artificially cultivated early embryos into space. No press conference, no countdown. The word used in the official announcement is human artificial embryo experimental sample, sandwiched in the list of food and spare parts, like a little footnote. And here's the thing, this is the world's first, launched in space, human artificial embryo experiment. What is an artificial embryo? It's like in a science fiction movie, something soaked in a glass jar? Artificial embryo. It is an early blastocyst cultivated by in vitro fertilization technology. It's invisible to the naked eye. It is probably a small ball with dozens of cells. The question to be answered by the experiment is simple. Can this clump of cells divide properly in space? Cell division on Earth has a sense of direction, the process by which a fertilized egg becomes 2, 4, or 8 cells, through something called an integrin protein, sensing gravity, no up and down, and that determines which cells become nerves, which ones become the heart, once this process is disrupted in weightlessness. And the consequence is not that the cells die, but it developed into something weird. In 2019, there was a mouse experiment, gave a disturbing half answer. Mouse embryos can develop in space. However, both the rate and quality of blastocyst formation are affected. In addition, the cells in the embryo contain severe DNA damage. Translated, alive, but the details are problematic. And of course radiation was a problem. The Nature paper mentions, deep space long-distance travel, the reproductive function of male and female astronauts, pose a potential hazard. Exposure to highly charged and energetic particles causes accelerated depletion of ovarian reserve and premature ovarian failure. Deep space migration requires a complete reproductive protection system, radiation-shielded private chambers, standardized IVF procedures, and cryopreservation of germ cells. Nowadays, all human civilizations and genes, all weighed down on the planet Earth. Asteroid supervolcano, a natural disaster. Civilization can be brought to zero. Become a multi-planetary species. Not a science fiction dream. It's civic insurance. True interstellar immigrants. More than just sending people over. It's about generational reproduction. Nurturing a new generation that has never set foot on Earth. Reproduction is the bottom line of interstellar civilization. No offspring, no viable space migration. The first space native is born. Never experienced gravity. The body structure is completely rewritten. Can they still be considered Earthlings? Will the definition of human be broken? An embryo that lifts off. The foreshadowing of the fragmentation of civilization.